Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to enable multi-currency in Shopify for international customers. Let's get started. Step 1. Check Shopify Payments availability. Go to Settings, Payments in your Shopify admin. Ensure Shopify Payments is activated, as multi-currency support is available only through Shopify Payments. Step 2. Enable multiple currencies. Under Shopify Payments, click Manage, then scroll to the Currencies section. Add the currencies you want to support and save your changes. Step 3. Customize Currency Selector. Navigate to Online Storage Themes and click Customize. Add a currency selector in your header, footer, or navigation so customers can switch currencies easily. Step 4. Configure rounding rules. To make pricing look consistent, enable rounding rules under Setting, Markets, and adjust pricing for each currency accordingly. Step 5. Test the multi-currency feature. Use a VPN or Shopify's geolocation app to simulate international visitors. Ensure that product prices update based on the selected currency. That's it. Now your Shopify store is ready to support multiple currencies for international customers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.